Do you want to get your wrists into shape? I'm Marcel Gru and I welcome you to this wrist routine.
We are starting off with waves. Bring your fingers together and start to lift your right elbow and create a wave to your left. And then again back and forth. You can change around, be playful here. And just continue. Feel how your wrists are feeling. Feel how it works out for you. Just continue waving with waves. Wonderful. Keep it up. Great. How are your wrists feeling? How are your fingers feeling? Your elbows? That's the first little exercise. Breathing also in deep into your belly, into your chest. Waves. Everywhere waves. And slowly come to a stop. Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders, shake your fingers. Now interlacing your fingers in front of you and circling your wrist in one direction. You can interlace your fingers very softly. There's no need to grab on hard, but rather grab on softly and feel where your wrists like to be moved today. And also feel free to circle into the other direction. Great. Then change your grip, so bring your other thumb forward and circle again. See how that feels. Does that feel different? Does it feel the same? Just try to explore, feeling what's going on. Just feeling what's going on. Your wrists and your elbows and your shoulders. Slowly release again and shake your wrists out quick. Elbows to shoulders and bring the wrists again together and start to circle your whole wrists around. Having the wrists all the time connected. Keep them connected all the time. Go in one direction first. And then whenever you feel like changing the direction, go into the other direction. See how that feels. See how that feels. Don't forget to breathe deep into your belly, into your chest as we're doing these movements. Great. Continue here for a little bit longer. Again, you can change the direction. And slowly release again and shake your wrists out, your elbows, your shoulders. Now bring your hands to the front. Stand out of your shoulders, push out of your shoulders. And form fists with your hands. Move your wrists up and down. Fingers are vertical, then make fists. And move up and down with your fists. Great job. How does that feel? Push out of your shoulders a lot. You can additionally, this is optional, bring your thumb in between your fists and grab around with your fingers and see what changes when you're doing that. Move your wrists up and down again. See where your wrist likes to be moved to. Breathing in deep in your belly, into your chest. And slowly release, shake your wrists out, your elbows, your shoulders, and come out of it again. Now bring your right hand up, bring the thumb up, turn it to the outside, and fingers are pointing down. From there, grab on with your other hand on your thumb and push out of your shoulders, feeling a stretch in the thumb mount. Wonderful. How does that feel? Good. Feeling a stretch in the thumb mount, where the thumb is connected to. And release, shake your wrists out, your elbows, your shoulders, and the other side, other arm up. Your thumb up, turn it to the outside, fingers are pointing down, then grab on onto your thumb with your other hand. Push out from your shoulders. Great. Breathe in deep into your belly. to your chest. And slowly release and shake out. Now we're bringing the right hand up. Let it point inside, so to the left right now. Grab on with your other hand and pull back. Then flip your hand around and pull back with your other hand. And let the index finger point up and pull back. Flip around, pull back. Index finger to the right side, pull back. Pull around and pull it back. And index finger points to the bottom. Pull back and flip it around, pull back. Good job, you're doing great. Bring your left hand up, let your index finger point to the right side and pull back. Flip around and pull back. Index finger points up, pull back, flip around, pull back. Index finger points to the left, pull back, flip around, pull back. Index finger points down, pull back, flip around, pull back. Wonderful. Slowly come out of it and bring your hands in front of you. Push out of your wrists. Fingers are pointing to the back, so draw them to the back. Push out of your shoulders a lot. Great. Breathe in deep into your belly, into your chest. And release. Bring the hands by your sides, the arms by your sides. Push out of your wrists. Draw the fingers back towards you. Push, push, push. You got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders. And bring your arms up into the sky. Push out of your shoulders. Draw the fingers back down towards you. Push up, push up, push out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Great job. Now from here, just make some wrist circles. Bring your hands up. Make some wrist circles, or leave your hands where they are. Leave your arms down, you know. Wherever you like to do the wrist circles, explore a little bit. How can you do the wrist circles? Can be adventurous, playful. See where your wrists likes to go right now. How does it feel? Right. Preparing for the last exercise mentally. Good. It's not going much longer. You got this. Okay. Take a deep breath in your belly, into your chest. Great job. And slowly come out. Now pick up your small object. Pick up your small object into either the right or the left hand. Have it hovering on top of your hand. Not hovering, but just on top of your hand. And start to move around as if you would be holding a teacup. Just try it, you can do it, I believe. Move around if you would be holding a teacup. One direction. And then maybe try the other direction. You can do it. Good job. How does that feel? You can make small circles. You can make big circles. Try it out. See what feels good to you. Make this exercise your own. And hold the object really on top of your hand all the time. And slowly change the side. Bring the object to your other hand. And again, come into this teacup exercise. Great job. See how you're turning your hand. Maybe very, very far, extending your arm. Or maybe very, very close, being close to your body. How does this exercise feel best to you? You are doing wonders for your wrists right now. Make sure to keep your wrist healthy. Make sure to do these exercises routinely, maybe every week, maybe even more than that. So feel free to revisit this video as soon as you like. With that said, slowly come out of it and feel how your wrists are feeling now. Compare it to the beginning of this session.
Big shout out to Kittens Kung Fu, who helped me design this little YouTube video. If you like to learn more about wrist health, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell.